this is my closet. I am so excited to open this. I won a contest. I got this huge box and my first chance to get it opened. So you want to see everything this YouTuber sent me? Please subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. So I won this great box from Vicki Wick, great YouTuber, super sweet, and she just sent me this huge box. So I'm going to leave her link below so you can check out her channel and become part of her YouTube family, because she does all sorts of unboxings and she does collabs and everything. Let her know that I sent ya. And obviously she does great giveaways. So I do have a card in here. I probably won't read it to you because I like to keep these personal, but I think she made this card because look at how beautiful everything is on this card. So again, this is from Vicki, and she's got all sorts of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. And she sent me a bunch of these cards. How cool is that? I gotta find out if she made these or if she bought them. But they're absolutely beautiful. So that was the first thing I got in the box. Then Antigua, Guatemala. I don't know what it is, if it's coffee. It's a medium roast. Floral, apple, milk, chocolate. To empower every coffee drinker to make a difference, one bean, one cup, and one sip at a time. Look at this. Oh my God. And it will not go to waste. And, oh my goodness. She sent me two. It must be different kinds. So here's the second one. I just want to pause the video right now and go make a cup of coffee. Then it's the Javaska coffee, and it's a hat. I don't know if any of you watched my Luxury Diva. I think it was, I haven't opened this month, but last month I got like a workout outfit and I got the coolest hat in there. Well, that hat is now gone. Dennis has taken over the hat, and because it's all stretched out from his size of his head, I no longer have that hat. So this is freaking awesome. Okay. Sorry if I'm getting bad words. All right, and the next thing in this box, wow, ceramic seahorse mug. I hope she plans on coming over and drinking all this coffee with me. Look at that mug. That is, oh, Vicki, you're making me cry. Okay, and there is more. See if I can read it. Be sure of yourself. And it's a makeup bag. It's got the little tassel. I can never have too many makeup bags. Ugh, I'm just chills. Oh, there's another one. Mermazing. Can you see the color? I don't want to undo them because I don't want to get them dirty, because I'm going to take these back with me to Arizona. And we got some goodies in here. Javiska. I'm not sure if she's part of this company. It says who they are. This is really interesting about their coffee. Here's a little sticker. Oh, I can't wait to make myself a cup of coffee. Then, oh my goodness, what is this heavy thing? Always Home in the Garden. And this is a heavy box. Oh. And again, if you guys could smell this box, it's got a Sea Goddess Shea Butter Balm. And of course it's all wrapped, so I'm not going to take it out, but you can smell it. Then there's the Carlsbad Shea Butter Balm, lemongrass. Oh my gosh. And a bath balm in eucalyptus. Then we have hand cream, Sea Goddess hand cream. And the body mist. Okay. I'm doing the body mist. If you guys could smell this, you would take this right out of my hands. This smells so good. Okay, it's like a bath in coffee. I don't even have room to put all these goodies. You need to go check out her channel. Again, it will be at the bottom. And there's a couple more things in here. There's another cup. So it could be hers and hers, so that any friends that come over, we'll have coffee. Those are so cute. And then the last thing in the box is a coastal tea infuser. Wow. Can you see this? I gotta take this out. It is just too cute. I'm trying to figure out. Oh! So you put the tea in there. This is the cutest thing ever. And you got the little handle. Oh my God, Vicki, you outdid yourself. And the smell from this spray, and it's so soft on your skin. I have to find out if she's got like a store or something, because I want every single thing she sent in this box. So, Vicki, thank you so much. I watch a lot of channels. I don't enter a lot of the giveaways. I'm just there for support. But if there's an item that I really, really want, I'm like, what the heck? I'm going to enter it. And I'm so glad I did. And I cannot wait to try this coffee. So, as always, thank you much. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out Vicki's channel. And you guys have an awesome day.